Happy week 11, kiddos. This week in science, you have 3 different openers to do. Monday and Tuesday's opener, you're going to describe each of these vocabulary words that we've been learning about in your own words. So you're going to click where it says answer and you're going to retype what you think a cell is, or explain to me what the cell is in your own words. You're then going to do the same for organelle, animal, plant, and photosynthesis. On Wednesdays, you need to compare and contrast the plant and animal cells in the Venn diagram. So anything that's only in a plant cell is going to go here. Anything that's in both is going to go here, and anything that's only in an animal cell will go over here. On Friday, you're just going to drag these circles and circle the correct answer. So there's 4 questions, there's 4 circles for you to drag. Have a great week, guys, and we'll be going over these in class and discussing them.